All right, students, for this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to graph your weather data. There's going to be many steps, so when I ask you to pause, I need you to pause and complete what I've just shown you. So first thing is, make sure that you've got your weather data. If you don't have that open, pause, and then continue when you've got it. All right, graphing in your sheets is requires a few steps. So again, make sure that you're following along. What you're going to do is the very first thing is you are going to drag from day all the way down to 31 or your last day on your sheets. And then you are going to hold down Control. You're going to scroll back up. And then you're going to highlight over temperature, air pressure, and then scroll all the way down so that it matches up with your other highlighted column. And once you do that, let go of both your mouse, then Control. Once you do that, press Insert Chart. All right, press pause and come back after you have made your chart. If you need to go back, but do not continue until you have a chart. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this part where it says column chart, and you're going to go down and you're going to click on one of these line charts. Doesn't matter which one. Okay, once you've clicked on the line chart, go down to this x-axis here where it says add an x-axis. You should be able to click on it. And one of the first things that show up is this one that says 1, 2, 3 day. Click on that. That will get you the days on the bottom. And then we want to delete the days in the series below it. So you should have a day underneath x-axis. You need to delete the day under series. Press pause and then continue when you have done that. Okay, the next step is to go over to this Customize button and click on it. Then you're going to click on Series. Press pause and come back once you've done this with your table or graph. All right, you need to click on this drag down with the green letters that says Apply to All Series. And then you're going to click on Air Pressure, the red one. Then you're going to go down to this other drag down where it says left axis, and then you're going to press right axis. Press pause and continue when you have done this step. Okay, go ahead and close up the series, and then you're going to go down to this part that says right vertical axis and click down. Press pause and return when you've gotten to this part. The last thing that you need to do before you copy and paste this over is in this minimum value, you're going to put 29. And in the maximum, you're going to put 32. And that's all you have to do. So if you need help reading through, press pause and then continue when finished. So if you need help reading through your graph, once you've made it, make sure you talk to your teacher or you talk to one of your classmates because we want to make sure that you understand the different pieces to this. Press pause and continue when ready. Okay, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to this chart axis title. You are going to go down to the vertical axis title, and you're going to label it temperature. Press pause and continue when you've done that. Finally, you're going to go to the right vertical axis on this chart, and you're going to label it air pressure. If I can spell. So the way that you read this graph is that when you're looking at the red line, you have air pressure here on the side. When you're looking at temperature, you read the values from the left side. Again, if you're confused, please ask your teacher for help. We will help you understand this and break down your data. Last thing you're going to do is you are going to press Control C, which will copy it in, and then you can paste it into your document. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you ask for help and try to help out someone else when you understand this.